Hey, good morning. Welcome to Cafe. It is Thursday, and today for Cafe, I'm showing you a Brain Pop video on fact and opinion. Okay, we also are going to practice, and we did the practice with the letter P. That was something we knew a lot about. Fact and opinion is something new that we hadn't really talked about very much in the classroom. I think we talked about it, but maybe just in passing after a good book or a read aloud or something. So what we're doing and what we're talking about today in Cafe is fact and opinion. All right, we're going to watch the Brain Pop video, but I want to put in your mind that a fact is something that can be proven, right? Kind of like science, kind of like history, but it can also be something basic just about our everyday life. A fact for right now could be that we are all in our homes not doing school like we usually know. That's a fact. We could prove it, okay? Now, an opinion is usually what I think or someone else thinks about something. So if we use the same example of fact about the virus and being home for quarantine, that is a fact. We could prove it. An opinion, you can't really prove because it's just someone's thoughts about something. So an opinion I have about the virus and not being at school is I don't like being quarantined in my house. That's an opinion. It's what I think or how I feel about something. I can't really prove it. It's just what I think or feel. So we're now going to watch this Brain Pop video on fact and opinion, and then we'll come back together and try to write something about it. All right? So sit back, get cozy, and let's watch Max and Moby. And let's get started. Here we go.
What is it, Moby? Saturn is gone. Planet disappears from the solar system? You think that sounds a little fishy? Not everything you read is true, Moby. What is a fact? A fact is a statement that can be proven true. Well, here's a fact. My socks don't match. I woke up late and had to rush to school. You can use your observations to prove that I'm wearing different socks. See? It's a fact. All right, Moby. You're an orange robot, and that's a fact. Cool. Now you're a striped robot. Oh, now you're plaid. Now you're just showing off. A fact is a true statement. The sun gives off light and heat. Animals need food and water to live. Sometimes you can't use your observations to prove facts. This website says that the elephant is the largest animal on Earth. I can't observe every animal on Earth to prove that this statement is a fact. But I can look up information in other places and see if they state the same information. When you verify, you make sure that something is correct. I can look up facts in books at the library, or research online to verify the fact. I can even ask an expert. Both of these books say that the blue whale is the largest animal on Earth. The elephant is the largest animal on land. So, this website isn't giving accurate or correct information. A source is someone or something that provides information, like a book, newspaper, or website. I don't think this website is a good source because it has wrong information. What is an opinion? An opinion is a belief that a person has about someone or something. An opinion describes what someone thinks, feels, or believes. It can share an emotion or a point of view. You can agree or disagree with an opinion. While facts can be proven true or false, opinions cannot be proven. Becca thinks tarantulas are the best pets. They're her favorite animal. It's Becca's opinion. You feel that tarantulas are scary. That's also an opinion. You and Becca disagree about tarantulas. I agree, Moby. Dogs are the greatest animals on the planet. How can you tell the difference between a fact and an opinion? Remember, a fact is a true statement. Right, Moby? George Washington was the first president of the United States. That's a fact. Anyone can make this statement and it'll be true. But opinions don't work like that. Ghost stories are scary. Is this a fact or an opinion? Well, not everyone agrees that ghost stories are scary. So this isn't a true statement. It's an opinion. As you listen or read, notice words that tell how a person feels about something. Moby thinks Superbot is the most exciting superhero. The words Moby thinks and most exciting are clues that his statement is an opinion. My favorite villain is the evil Dr. M. The word favorite signals an opinion. How can you share opinions? When you share an opinion, be sure to explain why you feel the way you do. It helps with making good discussions. I don't like this book. If I don't give reasons why I don't like the book, then people won't understand my opinion. That makes the book hard to discuss. I think this book is boring because nothing exciting happens. The main character walks home, and there was no fun or adventure. It was hard to get into the story. You liked the book? Why? I guess I never thought of it that way. When you share your opinions, try to support them with facts. Grandpop was angry that the community garden was going to be torn down to make room for a parking lot. He wrote a letter to the mayor sharing his opinion that the garden should be saved. He explained how people are eating more fruits and vegetables because of the garden, and how they also save money on food. Grandpop also explained how doctors encourage gardening because it's good exercise. A community garden is good for the whole community. Using opinions and facts helps people understand your point of view. As you read, think about what is a fact and what is an opinion. You can take notes as you read. Make sure the facts can be proven and the opinions are supported by facts. Moby, I don't think Saturn is gone. That article doesn't even give one fact to prove that it's true. You have proof? Dear Earth, I'm going on vacation. See you later. Your friend, Saturn?
That's silly. That's silly. All right, let me come at you in the middle here. Hey, so what we're going to do is I'm going to get some of my activities set up because I thought it would be fun if we took what we just learned from Moby and Annie and we put it into an activity, like a sorting activity. Because we've talked about facts, you all have taught me facts, I've taught you facts, and we've shared facts like about the penny. We've learned facts about our president. We have learned facts about butterflies at the beginning of the year, and we were going to become experts at the end of the year with our butterflies, and we've had to change that a little bit. But you have learned a lot of facts this year. You also have a lot of opinions, just like they shared in the video. Things like I think or I feel. We've also practiced sharing opinions when we've read our writing to each other. Remember when we would make a circle and we would share our writing and then we would talk about it a little bit. I think, or I noticed. So those are great examples also of how to start an opinion. So these are really great ideas and concepts that we can add and talk about for the rest of the year. But to work on it a little bit more today, I found a cool sort. It's a picture sort. And so we're going to do it together on the video, but I'm going to need to set a couple things up. So while I'm setting up, what I would like for you to do I would just like for you to think to yourself, what fact comes to your mind? What facts did you love from our year? Did you love learning facts about the coins? Did you love learning facts about people, the president, Martin Luther King Jr., Moses, Abraham, Noah? We've learned facts about a lot of things. So I want you to think about some of the facts, the stuff we've learned this year in kindergarten, and just be ready in case I ask you to write about it. Let me go set up, and I'll be back in just a minute. Bye-bye.